Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to extract text and images from a Word document file, docx file. So as you can see, we have a Word document file right here, and inside this Word document file we have a set of images. We have also a set of text as well. So I will show you a Python script which will actually extract all the text which is there inside the Word document and also all these images as well. So for this we are using a third-party package, which is, just go to the terminal and just install this package, pip install docx2txt. So this is actually the package, and just enter and it will install this package. I've already installed this package, so now for using it, simply create a simple Python script. Now I will show you. So let me delete everything. So we have this app.py file and we have this Word document file right here. So now I will simply import the package first of all. So we will import this package by using the import line right here. So we import this. After importing it, we simply actually extract the text first of all. So this module contains this function which is process, and here you specify the address of the document file. So it is present in the same directory, so we are using this function and passing the address of the Word document file. So after doing this, we simply save the text in a file here. So we open a file with the open function and we save the txt and we pass the write mode. So we create a new file which is output.txt, which will hold all the data for us which is extracted, and then we simply use the encoding type which will be UTF-8 and as f, and right here we actually call the write function. And so once I execute the script right here, you will see on the left hand side a new file will be created which will be output.txt, and all the text, as you can see from the Word document, has been extracted and it has been saved inside this txt file. And now for extracting the images as well, so as you can see we also have the images. So there is also a function, you can easily do this. After this, in the second argument right here, you can actually pass a folder name. So we can create a folder right here which will be storing the images which will be extracted. So right here in the second argument, we simply pass the folder path here. So I simply pass img. So now what happens if you run the Python script, it will also extract all the images and store it inside the image folder. So as you can see, it extracted these two images from this Word document, and if I try to open this, this is the first image and this is the second image. So this is a really useful Python package, guys, which is actually used to extract the text and the images from a Word document file. And as soon as you run this, you will see it has extracted all these images which is present in the Word document. So if I open it inside, so you can see it's an image here. This is the first image, this is the second image, and the rest of all is all the text right here. So it has successfully extracted everything, this Python script, using this module. So you can actually use this module to extract text and images from a Word document file. First of all, install the module, then import this, and then we simply pass the Word document file and then the folder name where the images will be stored, and then it simply extracts the text and the images. So in this way you can do this. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.